This is Shali McFarlane with Take Control of Siri. What kinds of questions can you ask Siri? There's so many types, it's hard to know where to start. Here are 10 kinds of questions it can help you with. Number 1, basic math. Don't bother to launch calculator and tap in numbers. Siri can handle arithmetic and more. This is especially handy on the iPad since it does not come with the calculator app at all.
What's 312.14 times 789?
312.14 times 789 is 246,278.46.
Multiply that by 12.
It's 2,955,341.52.
Number 2, tips and splits. This is still math, but it deserves to be called out on its own. When you're at a restaurant and need to calculate the tip, Siri can help with that too. Siri can even figure out how much each person in your party owes for lunch, tip included.
What's a 15% tip on $92?
The tip is $13.80.
What's $202 split 3 ways?
Number 3, conversions. If you're not quite sure how many pints are in a quart or milliliters in a tablespoon, Siri's got you covered.
How many teaspoons are in 5 milliliters?
5 milliliters is 1.01 teaspoons.
What's 42 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius?
5.6 degrees Celsius.
Number 4, weather. Sure, Siri knows the forecast tomorrow, but did you know it could also tell you about things like humidity, carbon monoxide levels, and overall air quality?
What's the humidity?
The humidity index is currently 82%.
What's air quality like in Los Angeles?
The air quality is good in Los Angeles, California, at 46 right now.
Number 5, nutrition information. If you're worrying about calories or carbohydrates, Siri can fill in the details before you take a bite.
How many carbs are in a donut?
A donut has about 19 grams of carbohydrates, or 6% of your recommended daily intake, based on a 2,000-calorie diet.
Number 6, words. Don't bother rooting around for the dictionary app. Siri knows all about words.
How do you spell rhythm?
Rhythm. R-H-Y-T-H-M.
Define flibbertigibbet.
Flibbertigibbet means a frivolous, flighty, or excessively talkative person.
Number 7, sports schedules, scores, and standings. Siri knows about sports both present and past. I mean, a lot about sports. Baseball, basketball, cricket, football, golf, hockey, motorsports, soccer, and tennis. Siri keeps up with an incredible 29 baseball leagues as well as soccer teams from all around the world.
When's the next NASCAR race?
The 2019 Quick Trip 500 is scheduled for Sunday.
Show me the season schedule for the Timbers.
Here's the upcoming schedule for the Timbers between March 2nd, 2019 and August 18th, 2019.
Who won the Super Bowl in 1979?
The Steelers edged past the Cowboys in the Super Bowl by a score of 35-31 on January 21st, 1979.
Number 8, player and team stats. Siri also knows about your favorite sports teams and players.
Who's pitching for the Yankees this season?
There are 11 starting pitchers for Yankees: Masahiro Tanaka, J.A. Happ, C.C. Sabathia.
What are Tom Brady's stats?
Here are stats for Tom Brady from the 2018-19 NFL season.
How much does Stephen Curry make?
Stephen Curry's salary is $37,457,154.
Number 9, earthquakes. Siri can update you about any seismic activity that's happened nearby in the past 72 hours. Data comes from the U.S. Geological Survey.
Was that an earthquake?
There are no reports of any significant earthquakes.
Number 10, sciencey stuff. Siri draws from the knowledge database Wolfram Alpha to supply even the most inquisitive 3-year-old with the answer to many a deep question.
How many teeth do great white sharks have?
The typical total number of adult teeth for great white sharks is 300.
What's the chemical symbol for krypton?
The answer I found is Kr.
Why is the sky blue?
Here is what I found.
Learn more about cool things you can do with Siri in my book, Take Control of Siri, at takecontrolbooks.com.